Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can move application from internal storage to SD card. Alright guys, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our settings application, and after we have our settings application opened, we can go to the app setting. You can scroll down until you find the app setting, this one. Click on it, and here you're going to select the application you would like to move to your SD card. And for your information guys, not all of the application can be moved to SD card. As far as I know, we can move the application that we installed from Play Store, not the default application which have been already available in your phone since the first time you buy it. So you have to check it first before you want to move the application to your SD card. And for example, I'm going to move the Instagram application to my SD card. InShot application. After we click on the InShot application, we can click on the storage. Okay, and here if you want to move your application to SD card, you can click on change, and you just need to select the SD card. And here I have moved my InShot application to my SD card. Alright guys, and that's how we can move application from internal storage to SD card. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.